Hello guys, welcome back for another travel vlog dito sa Canada. We passed by this place called Innisfail Historical Village. So ayun, we paid $5 for the entrance fee and they gave us a map. Tinitignan namin yung layout and wow, ang daming buildings, parang isang buong village talaga. First house na pinasok namin itong Spruce Stopping House. Puno siya ng vintage furniture, old kitchen tools, at mga gamit na sobrang preserved. Tapos guys, we found a room full of dolls. Medyo spooky siya. Parang anytime gagalaw siya. Yikes! Next, we went to Bowden Station. Ang ganda ng building. Classical railway style. Puno talaga siya ng history. Ang station na ito ay dinonate noong 1974 sa Innisfail Historical Society. Inside may dalawang sections. First section ay ang waiting area na may vintage photos at mga items na ginamit ng mga travelers noon. Para talaga kaming nag-travel back in time. Sa ticket area, dito makikita yung mga dioramas, memorabilias, railway artifacts, at mga lumang model trains. Super vintage talaga at parang nasa loob talaga kami ng isang active train station. Buti na lang na preserve nila ito ng maayos para makita ng mga kabataan at mga susunod na henerasyon. Right beside it ay yung tinatawag nilang West General Store. Ito ay parang old school convenience store ng panahon nila. Then makikita rin dito yung tinatawag na telegraph. Ito yung lumang paraan nila ng communication, sending Morse codes. After that, we check out the Poplar Grove Cabin. Maliit lang siya pero cozy, showing how simple life was for early settlers. Para kayong pumasok sa mga set ng mga Hollywood movies na may mga cowboys or mga Wild Wild West. It really give a glimpse of how simple life is back then. Then we visited the Parker Cabin. Mas homey siya with old furniture and tools that show how families live by day by day. Next up is the Hespero Church. This church was built in 1938 in Hespero, located west of Eckville. Pagpasok mo ang peaceful, you will see wooden pews, a small altar, hymn books, and stained glass. Sa labas may nakita kaming vintage bell. Pakinggan natin how it sounds like. Then we walk to the fire hall. May old fire equipment, helmets, and tools used by volunteer firefighters noon. Nakakamangha ang mga vintage fire trucks na ginamit ng mga Innisfail firefighters noong 1890 to 1953. Yung iba dito ay hinihila pa ng mga kabayo. Nakakamangha talagang pagmasdan at na-preserve nila ito ng mabuti. Pati mga uniforms nila noong 1950s na-preserve nila. Ang galing! Outside, ang daming old tractors and farm machinery. Perfect for photos, lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa mga vintage farm equipment. Next, we entered the car room. Ang daming old vehicles, from early cars to tools used to maintain them. Para kang nasa mini automotive museum. Ang mga kotse dito ay from 1922 to 1927. Then we went inside a stable. Dito mo makikita yung mga old wagons, farming tools, and machinery used for transportation and work. Ang laki ng role nito sa buhay ng mga settlers noon. And last stop namin ay sa Grove Tea Room. Tuwing Friday daw nagsaserve sila ng tea sa mga guest at pwede daw rentahan ng tea house for events and can accommodate around 50 people. Ang daming old photos showing the history of Innisfail, parang visual timeline ng buong community. So that was our unexpected trip to Innisfail Historical Village. Ang ganda niya. If you love history or just want a peaceful place to explore, it is highly recommended. Yun lang po, please support our video kung nagustuhan nyo ang aming tour at may natutunan kayo. Please like, share, and follow for more travels and educational videos about Buhay Canada. See you on our next vlog. Goodbye and God bless.